Let me tell you, as president, I am going to give you a run for your money. Just last month, I had to read 4,057 pages of the General Appropriations Act for 2025. Because I reviewed it, analyzed it, and yes, in parts, vetoed it. And so for those of you, and up to now, I cannot find those damned blank items.
I can find those damned blanks. Social, no? Damned. Ang social, no? Di ba? Social na damned. I cannot find those damned blanks. Kung si Digong yan, jologs eh. Kasi naman yung nasa Congress na yan for blanco to. Brut. Pag si Sara yan, ninyong lahat! Bakit may blanco? Bakit? Hoy, bistado kayo. Kahit EBBM na nanggaling ang salitang distab. Huli kayo. Huli si Ungas. Si Ungab. Huli si Vic. Huli si Digong. Huli si Sara.